Smells like apples. Look at those blackberries, guys. Ang dami, oh.
Yeah, there's some pretty good ones.
Ta-da. So just wild blackberries, guys. So it's free. Yan. Sarap. Blackberry. Yeah.
Blackberry pie tonight.
Ay, ang dami, oh. Ayan, guys, so isang puno lang ng blackberries. It's so many. Ang dami na. Ang sarap mamitas kahit matinik. See, that's so many. There. Yeah. Ito lahat tinakuha namin, guys. So isang buong bowl ng blackberries, wild blackberries. Ito pa, meron pa kami dalawang puno na ziplock, malaki. At ito, ang dami namin nakuha today. OMG. Yan lahat. Pipress naman yung iba. Ayun na, guys, ang ating blackberries. Nahugasan ko na silang lahat. Ang dami. Ayan. Dami. Dami pa doon naiwan sa pinagkuhaan namin. Ayan. Sarap. Wild lang yan. So, kahit sino pwede manguha. Ayan.